Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video I'll be showing you guys how you can adjust your speed of your clips on DaVinci Resolve. So get your video. I'm actually gonna then you are going to right click and you are going to find change clip speed. Here you can change the speed by adjusting it. For instance, you want it to be slower, you're going to go to the left. If you want it quicker, you're going to go to the right. So for instance, I want the speed to be around 135. You can change the frames per second too, but it's going to change the speed. Actually, I'm just going to have it around 115. You can then select change, and as you can see, the speed will change. Those of the videos will be quicker, and that's pretty much how you can change the speed. You can also change it here in DaVinci Resolve. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that. If you have any questions, just leave it in the comment section down below and I will try my best to answer them all. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!